You welcome to Nature Nurture Hub. Nature has its own candy, and it's called Stevia Rebaudiana, the miracle leaf that's 200 times sweeter than sugar yet guilt-free for your health. Stevia Rebaudiana, known simply as stevia, is a remarkable natural sweetener native to South America, now loved by gardeners and health enthusiasts across the USA. Imagine adding sweetness to your tea, smoothies, or desserts straight from your backyard instead of a sugar jar. That's the power of growing your own stevia, a perfect blend of sustainability, flavor, and wellness. For beginners, cultivating Stevia Rebaudiana at home is easier than you might expect. With just the right soil, sunlight, and care, you can harvest lush green leaves bursting with sweetness all summer long. Growing Stevia Rebaudiana begins with understanding its natural needs. This perennial herb thrives in warm climates and loves full sun. It grows best in USDA zones 9 to 11, but can also flourish as an annual in cooler states if you start it indoors or use containers. Start your stevia journey by selecting high-quality seeds or cuttings, preferably from a trusted local nursery. Seeds can be tricky to germinate. So many gardeners prefer propagation from stem cuttings to ensure identical sweet-tasting plants. When planting Stevia Rebaudiana, choose light, well-draining soil enriched with compost or organic matter. It dislikes soggy roots, so raised beds or containers with drainage holes are ideal. The best soil pH ranges between 6.7 and 7.2, slightly acidic to neutral. Plant seeds or cuttings after all frost danger has passed, when soil temperatures reach at least 70 GGF. In cooler regions, start stevia seeds indoors 8-10 weeks before transplanting outdoors to give them a healthy head start. Once your stevia seedlings take root, consistent sunlight becomes the key to success. Aim for 68 hours of direct sunlight daily. Stevia loves warmth and gentle humidity, mimicking its native subtropical habitat. Keep your plants evenly moist but not waterlogged. Watering deeply once or twice a week is better than shallow, frequent watering. Mulching around the base helps retain moisture and prevent weeds while maintaining a stable temperature. Fertilizing Stevia Rebaudiana should be minimal since too much nitrogen leads to lush foliage with less sweetness. Use organic compost tea or balanced slow. Release fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during active growth. Avoid heavy feeding, as stevia's delicate roots prefer light nourishment. You'll soon notice its leaves growing thick and aromatic, releasing a subtle, sweet scent on warm days. Pruning plays a big role in keeping stevia healthy and bushy. Once the plant reaches 8 inches tall, pinch back the top 2 inches to encourage branching. Continue trimming lightly every few weeks to shape the plant and prevent leggy growth. The more branches you create, the more sweet leaves you'll harvest. Always prune before flowering, as once stevia blooms, the sweetness level in the leaves drops. When it comes to harvesting, patience pays off. The best time to harvest stevia leaves is just before the plant flowers, when the natural sweetness, known as stevial glycosides, is at its peak. Cut stems in the morning after dew dries, but before the midday sun becomes harsh. Bundle small bunches and hang them upside down in a warm, airy place to dry naturally. Once dried, Crush or grind the leaves to make your very own homemade sweetener powder, or steep them in hot water to create a natural syrup. Stevia Rebaudiana can easily be overwintered indoors in colder regions. Before the first frost, trim the plant back, dig it up carefully, and transplant it into a pot. Keep it in a sunny window where it receives at least 6 hours of light daily. Water sparingly during winter dormancy, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. When spring arrives, gradually reintroduce it to outdoor conditions and resume normal care. Pests rarely bother stevia, but aphids or whiteflies may appear occasionally. A simple spray of neem oil or soapy water is usually enough to keep them under control. The natural resilience of stevia makes it an excellent organic garden companion, free of harsh chemicals and full of life. For gardeners across the USA, whether in sunny California, humid Florida, or cooler northern zones, stevia offers the joy of growing your own sweetness from seed to spoon. It's not just a plant, it's a lifestyle of natural health. Imagine adding homegrown stevia to your morning tea or favorite dessert, knowing it's pure, calorie-free, and straight from your backyard. Growing Stevia Rebaudiana isn't just about cultivating a herb. It's about rediscovering the essence of natural sweetness. As you nurture your stevia plants, you're also nurturing your connection with nature. The rhythmic care, watering, pruning, harvesting, turns into a meditative ritual that rewards you with both beauty and flavor. The glossy green leaves glisten in sunlight, giving off an earthy aroma that feels both grounding and uplifting. It's easy to see why so many gardeners call stevia the green gold of home gardening. For the best results, always remember sunlight is your greatest ally, overwatering your biggest enemy, and timing your sweetest advantage. Treat Stevia Rebaudiana as a friend rather than a crop. Observe how it responds to your care and adjust as needed. Each garden has its own microclimate, and each stevia plant tells its own story. From small container gardens on apartment balconies to sprawling backyard plots, Stevia Rebaudiana adapts beautifully. You don't need fancy equipment or rare fertilizers. Just patience, organic compost, and love for green life. Whether you're a first-time grower or seasoned gardener, the process will teach you simplicity, gratitude, and sustainability. So, start your stevia garden today. Every leaf you grow brings you closer to a healthier, sweeter, more natural lifestyle. Grow with Nature Nurture Hub. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more plant growing inspiration, seasonal guides, and real garden transformations.